Hello Aries, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the second half of the month of August. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. Okay. So we have the Queen of Cups, the Justice, the Ace of Swords, the Nine of Wands, the Three of Wands, the Sun card, the Hermit, the Page of Wands, and the Empress. So it's seems to be a beautiful reading for you, Aries. Okay, let's see what are the messages from this deck for Aries. Okay, so we have the King of Clubs, guidance from the angels for Aries for the second half of August. Okay, so we have the Healer of Action. Okay, so Aries, you've been emotional about something or someone, and you wanted to sort of start this, you wanted to have a new beginning in something, in a certain situation or in a certain relationship, whatever it was. You wanted to have it, you were just contemplating on various things, as to perhaps you were waiting for some sort of an information, some sort of truth to unfold. Yeah, you were waiting for something to come up. Maybe it was a missing bit of information, maybe it was some truth which you were waiting for, but you were definitely waiting for something. Or even if you were not waiting for something, but still you were reluctant in expressing these emotions or going towards this situation towards which you felt emotional about. Okay, if it was your career, if it is your some project, if it's any other opportunity, you were emotional about it, but you were a bit reluctant. And then sudden truth has come up, picture is more clear, and then you just make that decision of moving forward with a new beginning. Okay, so now you have that clarity of mind basically. So you were waiting for something, or something has come up to you which has made that your mind clear. You're now sort of decisive. Okay, now yes, I can move towards this new direction or towards this new person, whatever this is in your uh, life. Okay, but you have started, you have that idea of moving towards this new beginning, and this new beginning even happens, it does start. Okay, perhaps it has even started, but the thing here is that there is still some sort of waiting going on, though the things have begun. But again, seems to be some sort of waiting. And what I feel here is that perhaps the way you invested in this situation, whatever this situation was, you felt unrewarded. Perhaps you were not, the other person did not reciprocate, or if it was a job thing, you did not get the due rewards. And because of the fact that you've been waiting for whatever you are investing in since a long time, for being rewarded, for being acknowledged sort of, but since your efforts were not being acknowledged in this situation, whatever this new beginning was, you turned your back to this situation. Okay, that is what you decided to do. You just decided to turn your back. You want to move away from this situation, and you want to explore something else or move towards something else which you find perhaps maybe more passionate for you, or maybe more rewarding for you. But definitely what I feel here is that because of your efforts not being duly rewarded in whatever this situation was towards which you moved forward, you decided to turn your back. And this is bringing you a lot of happiness. This decision of yours of turning your back from this new beginning, which you started very, very passionately, and you felt unrewarded, you've turned your back, and this turning your back is giving you a beautiful feeling. It's a very you're really feeling very happy and content. So this is the right decision which you have made. Okay, or if you are about to make any decision and you're waiting and you're just contemplating as to what to do and what not to do, if in that scenario you are advised to, yes, if you're thinking of turning your back to the situation, do so, because it is going to give you the right sort of happiness. And but followed by the Hermit card, use your intuition wisely. Try to think, go within, try to search for answers within. Okay, but turning your back is giving you happiness. Try to look for the answers within as to now what you are supposed to do. Okay, and once you go into that process of asking yourself those questions as to what you actually want, what your actual desire is, and once you ask yourself those questions, you will feel ready to move in a direction which is very, very it is again, there is again a new beginning with the Page of Wands and the Empress. Now this new beginning is going to give you a lot of abundance, happiness, results are coming in. So follow your intuition, you will find a new beginning once again, and this is the right thing for you. Okay, and with the Empress out here, you will feel empowered with this new beginning. You will feel as if you've been rewarded, and it is going to give you abundance in each and every way, satisfaction, financial, whatever it is. But this is something which is going to give you a lot of fulfillment. Okay, so turning away from this situation is the right decision, whatever it is. Now here with the King of Clubs, this is the Magician of this deck. So whatever is this new beginning, this is going to give you a lot of happiness. So definitely new beginnings are on the cards, but the thing is, follow your intuitions. If it requires to turn your back over something in which you feel you are not duly rewarded, just let it go and move ahead. Okay, move towards a new path. You don't have to get yourself stuck and keep on waiting and waiting and waiting, and you don't have to feel as if you leave this situation, what's going to happen, and maybe you won't even find another opportunity like that. So there's nothing like that. You will definitely get a new opportunity which is going to give you a lot of abundance and happiness. Okay, and here the guidance from the angels is Healer of Action. This is the time when you can do whatever you set your mind to if your heart is open. You are being asked to do many things at once. You won't mind as long as you know you are making a difference. This card indicates someone who is loving, intelligent, passionate, and fun to be with. And fun, which could be definitely be you. This person can handle difficult situations with grace. So this is the time that you have that capacity or that tenacity to do whatever you feel like doing. Okay, so if whatever your ambitions are, you just need to be clear about whatever you want, and once you have that clarity, you will develop that courage to leave a situation which makes you feel unrewarded or unrequited. Okay, and there is where you start finding your happiness and self-worth, and you will again find a new beginning. You will definitely find something else to look forward to. Okay, so Aries, it's a beautiful reading for you for the second half of the month, and do like, subscribe and share, and hope it helps. Bye.